Hello and welcome back to the next video. Let us continue our discussion and discuss the next topic, which is specially used for creating types of holes. So far we have learned a simple procedure for creating a hole in the geometry, that is to utilize the extrude command. Select the surface where you want to create a hole, take a circle, sketch on the surface and simply press OK. After which, change the direction of the extrude and remove the material, which will help us to create a hole. This is a very simple way to create a hole, but we have a special option in Creo Parametric which will help us to create holes of different features or different shapes or different sizes. So let us discuss that special option in this particular video. I have created the sample geometry in order to make you understand the different features of the hole. The hole command is located in the engineering category exactly above the round feature. We have to select the hole icon, after which we have a special ribbon with different set of options. Now, coming to the arrangement of the options. The arrangement of the options can vary with respect to the version you are using in your system. Currently, I am using the 6.0 version. If you are using the 5.0 or the 4.0 version, I believe the location of these options or tools may be different. So do not get confused. But each and every option is very similar in all the versions. Now, on the left hand side, you can see the first option given to us, that is named as type. So we have two types over here. The first one is the simple and the second one is the standard. I will be discussing about the standard in the next videos. Let us discuss with the simple type. Under simple type, we have three different types of profile. The first one is the predefined, second one is the standard and the sketch. Followed by the settings, which includes the diameter of the hole and the depth of the hole. Coming to this option, which is toggle lightweight geometry, I will be showing you when we are creating the holes. Now let us move forward to understand the procedure for creating the hole. As I have turned on the hole option, I have to simply go to the location where I want to place a hole. For example, I want to create a hole on this surface. I have taken my mouse or the cursor on that particular surface and pressed the left click. After pressing the left click, you can see in the dynamic view a shaded hole feature which is visible on the screen. We have to assign the location of the hole with respect to these two handles or the drag handles we can call it. This is the first drag handle and this is the second drag handle. These are associated with the central axis of the hole. What we have to do is we have to assign the location of the hole with respect to any edge or surface. For example, if I am taking the first drag handle and moving to this extreme corner of the geometry, you can see that the geometry is selected, the edge is selected. After which I have a distance which is equal to 200 units, which indicates that the distance from this edge to the hole is equal to 200. It can be altered by moving the hole. It can also be changed by double clicking the respective text column. We have to arrange the second drag handle, or we have to refer the second drag handle with any other edge or the surface. In this case, let me try to move to the right hand side. Let me select this particular edge. After selecting this particular edge, I am having a distance of 400 units. Now you can see that I can see a visible hole on the screen. So basically this particular drag handles are used as a reference, and it can be quite similar to X and Y coordinates. So this can be altered. For example, I want it to be 150. You can see the location of the hole has moved, and I can also change this particular distance, which is presently 400 units, and let me change it to 200 units. So the location or the references depends on the geometry or the work what we are doing. I mean, for example, if we are given a reference with respect to this edges, we have to, as per the sample exercise, we have to follow, and in that particular case we have to change the location to this particular edge, and the distance can be changed again by clicking in the text field. Now that we have understood the referencing part, which is specially used for assigning the location of the hole, the next important thing is the diameter of the hole. We can alter the dimensions of the diameter in the text field or in the ribbon itself. So presently the diameter is 50 units. I can change it to 60 or 70 or 80 depending on the need. The next important aspect for creating a hole is the depth of the hole. So presently the depth of the hole is equal to 208. I can change it with the help of drag handle. You can see that the hole is being created with certain depth right now. You can change the depth by clicking on the text field or the ribbon. So let me keep it to be around 80 units. If we are totally satisfied with this particular location and the diameter and the depth, we simply have to press the middle click button and you have the hole visible and created in the geometry. So you can see that the hole is having an axis also. Because it is a circular feature, it will definitely have an axis in itself. So this is the procedure for creating a simple hole. Let us move forward and discuss the different sub features in hole command in the next video.